Hi everyone, I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and today I'm partnering with my friends at C&H Sugar to make this delicious brown butter chocolate chip skillet cookie. It's got the perfect thick and gooey texture I crave in a skillet cookie, and the flavor is next level between the brown butter and the dark brown sugar. I'm usually a light brown sugar girly, but the deep molasses flavor of this dark brown sugar is a true game changer in this recipe. C&H just changed up the packaging for their light and dark brown sugar. They're now available in this new zipper bag, which is so convenient for locking in moisture and keeping the brown sugar fresh. That way you'll get the best results every time you reach for it. Let's make this recipe. We'll start by browning 1 cup or 226 grams of unsalted butter in a large saucepan set over medium heat. Once the butter melts and starts to simmer, cook it while stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until the butter becomes a caramel color and smells deliciously nutty. At this point, remove it from the heat and transfer it into another container to let it cool slightly. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup or 200 grams of packed C&H Dark Brown Sugar and a half cup or 100 grams of C&H granulated sugar. Pour the brown butter over the top and whisk it together until combined. Next, add 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Whisk that together until smooth and then add the dry ingredients, which are 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons or 278 grams of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Fold the dry ingredients in until you have a uniform dough. Finally, add 1.5 cups or 270 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips and fold them in. Press the dough into a 10-inch cast iron skillet and add a couple more chocolate chips on top if you wish. Then bake in a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 28 to 32 minutes. Just look at how beautiful this is when it's finished. I like to top this skillet cookie with some vanilla bean ice cream and just dig right in. Of course, it helps to share with other people if you're eating it a la mode all at once. So if you'd rather eat a little at a time, you can always let it cool for about 30 minutes before slicing and serving. I've been baking with C&H Sugar since I was a little kid, side by side with my mom in the kitchen, and it's been my go-to for perfect results since as far back as I can remember. I'm so blown away by how their dark brown sugar gives this cookie the most complex yet balanced flavor and incredible texture. Crispy on the edges and irresistibly soft in the center. You'll find the full recipe in my video caption, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching!